In today's video, I'm going to show you how to verify your Shopify account. Whether you're just getting started with your online store, setting up payments, or you simply want to make sure your account is fully secure, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open your Shopify account and go to the sign up page. Once you're there, look for the option to sign up using a social login or your email. Make sure to follow along carefully so you don't miss any details. Using a social login like Google, Facebook, or Apple can be the fastest way to get your account verified, as these methods automatically confirm your identity and let you dive right into building your store without delay. Next, if you're signing up with a regular email address, Shopify will send a verification email to the address you provided. You'll need to check your inbox and sometimes your spam or junk folder just in case for a message containing a link or button to complete the verification process. Follow the instructions carefully because until this step is done, some features of your account may be limited. To make the process smoother and to make it proper like a pro, here's a quick tip. Make sure you have access to the email you used for sign-up and that you enter it correctly. Doing this beforehand saves time and prevents any delays with account access. Once you've clicked the verification link, your account is confirmed and you'll have full access to Shopify's features, including managing payments, adding products, and customizing your storefront. After that, you should be able to start building your online store without any interruptions. It's also a good idea to consider using a social login if you haven't already, as it not only verifies your account instantly, but also integrates easily with other apps and services, making future access simpler and more secure. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll have your Shopify account fully verified and ready to connect with customers and grow your business. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might be facing the same issue.
Once everything is set up correctly, you'll have the data you need to make smarter decisions and continuously improve your marketing results. Thanks for watching, and I really hope this tutorial helps you create smarter, more effective, and better performing ad campaigns. If this video helped you out, don't forget to share it with someone who might benefit. Why not make their day a little easier and help them get better results too?